Welcome to the ForexDelight Trading Mastery course, Module 1, Lesson 1. In this video, we'll answer the question, what is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It is the largest market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded daily. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, operating across 4 sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. In Forex, you always trade one currency against another, forming a currency pair like EUR-USD. Buying a pair is going long, anticipating the first currency will strengthen. Selling is going short, expecting it to weaken. Who trades Forex? Large players like banks, institutions, corporations, and governments are involved. Crucially, retail traders like you and me also participate in this global market. Why trade Forex? It offers high liquidity, making it easy to enter and exit trades. It's a 24-hour market that fits any schedule, and you can start with low capital. Plus, you can profit whether the market moves up or down. A reality check. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many beginners lose money by skipping education, risking too much, or trading emotionally. You are here to learn the right way. Throughout this course, you will learn market analysis, risk management, trading psychology, and profitable strategies. The goal is to build a sustainable income by growing your capital through education and discipline. The key takeaway is that Forex trading is a learnable skill. With proper education and risk management, you can grow your capital. This requires time, practice, and commitment. Ready to continue? The next lesson covers currency pairs, pips, and lots.